This is Detail Grandma's channel. I'm taking my channel back. Hello friends, so today we're going to do an outside detail. He just bought the car off of the car lot. Now this is a seller I do not work for, so if a customer wants a detail, they would have to pay for it. This is a 2013 Ford Fusion. I am going to give it a decent detail. This car is not in that bad a shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the air compressor going, and I will use the air gun, get everything cleaned up, make sure the seats are clean. Make sure the floors are vacuumed. But here's what the customer is concerned about. I hope you can see it. This headliner is a wreck. So I'm gonna get everything out after it. Now I still have some products with DIY detail that I need to review and look at. So we're gonna do that today. This is gonna be a DIY detail. We're going to use the glass cleaner. We're going to use the waterless wash. I'm going to use the all clean on the headliner. The Incredible Suds, I may use that for the exterior, but I may stick with the rinseless wash. I'll tell you why. We're also going to use the tire dressing. I am going to use this clay towel, and I'm going to use Quick Beads on it. What I want to do is just kind of give it a decent look, get it cleaned up, and still review the products I have not actually done yet and need to do. I'm also going to use the glass towel, and I am going to use the interior clean and protect. This is going to be a quick detail. It's not going to be anything fancy. He's not paying much, but I do want to make sure he has a decent vehicle. Okay, so let's take a look at the exterior of this car. It's not that bad. It's actually in pretty decent shape. I've got some sap remover that I will use on that. It's got some dings in it, you know, something we can't fix. And then it's got some stuff going on the windows, like the auction sticker adhesive. Some of it's stuck. And we are going to take the numbers off of it. Those. So I discovered something. Rinseless wash. This bottle got to be about right here, and I filled it up with water. So it's a lot stronger than what they say. But man, it sure cleans. Last thing on the list, tire dressing. Alrighty, this Ford Focus is done. Alrighty, so let's go over the products that I did use and what I think of them. All clean. I do like the product. I think it's too strong out of the ready to use. Diluted even more and more is actually pretty decent. But I just feel like this is more than 15 to 1. However, it does work. As you saw, it worked just fine on that headliner. And that headliner looks pretty darn good. The next product is the Crystal Clear. This is the window cleaner. I do like this product. I don't have any complaints whatsoever about it. I'm almost done with this bottle, and I do have another one, but this is one of the best window cleaners out there. Okay, so the waterless wash. This is another product I used today. I use this on the door jambs. It is ceramic infused, so it does leave a layer of ceramic behind. And in the door jambs, it's going to help with that. So I do like the waterless wash. I don't know that I would spend money on waterless wash of any brand to do that. I think a rinseless wash will do just fine, but that's me. And if it's too much, you can get an APC, but that's just my thought. The next product that I used was the Interior Clean and Protect. I do like this product. This is not the first time I've used it. I do believe it's leaving a good layer of UV protection, although I have nothing scientifically to back that up. All I can say is it looks to me like it's leaving the same kind of protection that Meguiar's left, or even the Sure Shine by Simonize. So that's my thoughts on this. The next product was the tree sap remover. I don't like it. I'm just gonna say it. I don't like it. It does not pull away the adhesives like I was expecting, especially on the windshield. On the windshield, I had auction sticker adhesive, and it wasn't taking it off like the Turtle Wax would have. The Turtle Wax Bugatar. So I'm not a big fan of this one. I'm sure other people have had better luck with it. Me, on the other hand, I have not. I am not the biggest fan of this, but I have it, so I will use it until it is gone on the same thing. Now, you might have seen what I did with the wheels. I've been experimenting with rinseless wash, all the brands that I have, okay? So this one was down to about right here. So I went ahead and filled it up. Now, the point of that is, if this is such a good cleaner, a rinseless wash, not DIY detail. If rinseless wash is such a great cleaner, then it would clean most everything, right? Well, I can say it doesn't. But on the wheels, I just discovered it. I'm like, I'm filling it up with water, so I did. And then I just went ahead and sprayed it on a wheel, and bam. I was like, whoa. It did a really good job. It really did. And that's not the first time I've done it, just so you know. That is not the first time, you know. I just filled it all the way up, and I've got it down to here now. The other product that I used was the Quick Beads. Now, This is the graphene infused ceramic sealant. Now, when I put the sopping wet towel on the car and I clean it, then I just go ahead and follow up with the spray on there, and then I dry it off, okay? And that's what I do. Not everybody is that way. I just have my way of doing things, and it never matches up with the real world. So, you know, it is what it is. But I do like it. Look what it did. It left a really nice gloss, in my opinion. It's really slick, really smooth. I do like it. And quick beads, I do like this product. I can tell you that. Alrighty, friends, so it is time for me to get on out of here. I need to take this back. I did not use the clay towel as originally planned. So I am going to skip that until the next time that I get everything together and want to use it. But thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. And on another note, thank you for having me back. I wanted to come back, but I needed some time away. And that time away did me some good. It gave me a chance to get my thoughts back together. It gave me a chance to come up with ideas, because this is Detail Grandma's channel. I'm taking my channel back, and that's what I needed to do. I hope that everybody understands this is for me. This channel has never been a big priority to me, but I certainly didn't, I wasn't a fan of, you know, it having to be something that it's not. The other thing, I am not paid to try any products, and I do have other products that need to be reviewed. Nobody pays me. In fact, from this point on, if anybody wants me to try their products, you're gonna have to pay me. That may change in the future, but right now, no. That is not how it's gonna work for me. I thank everybody for the opportunity to try products, but when you are expected to do something for that product for nothing, no. So, that's my thought. Welcome back to my channel. I'm saying what's on my mind. That's my channel. See y'all later.